Good morning. Happy Friday, everyone. This morning I made a delicious treats for my pet parrots. Inside are corns, watermelon, celery, and carrots. Same thing there. So they can be a healthy pet bird. So now I'm walking through the aviary. They're happy about this. Here you go. Alright, let me open this. And also, I got this new water fountain for them right there. So during the summer months, which is now, they can have a some bathing and all that stuff, good stuff. And the Sage here, as you can see, is very happy to see this. Like this, Sage? Be healthy, huh? Oh, look at that. Likes that, huh? Like that, Sage? Oh, likes that. Okay, let me put it there. They're all waiting for me now. There's Charlie, there's Rambo, and those are the cockatiels, the parakeets over there. So let me just put this now. Here you go, guys. Here you go. Put this here and put one over here. Try to get this. There. Grab it. Grab it. Come on, before I put it. Okay. Let me put it right here now. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'll put it right here. Here we go. Okay. There you go. All right. Have a good day, guys. And today's weather will be a great day today. Let me check it out. Beautiful day already. It's not even 7:30 yet. It's already beautiful day out here in Southern California. All right. Happy Friday. Enjoy your day. Stay blessed always. Be happy. Be excited. And live life to the fullest. All right. Bye, guys. They're already eating. All right. Bye-bye.